Shanae from Notable Piano Lessons. Today we are learning the A scale, 5-finger major scale. So this one we will have a black key because we have start out with A. We have our whole step, half, whole. Okay, I'm going to play that slowly. This time we'll try it with the metronome. This is 60 beats per minute. Okay, and on these, don't be afraid if you want to go slower, just go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2. If you're having trouble getting your fingers moving, don't be afraid to go slow. Okay, let's do the left hand. Okay, let's do hands together slowly.